Okay, so how to fix Valorant error code 1900001 on Windows 11 or 10. So click on the start menu and type here edit group policy. Window, I will make it look bigger size. So here we are. Now click on administrative templates and so expand it. Click on Windows components, expand that as well. And here you need to find BitLocker drive encryption. So expand it and click on operating system drives. Select it, and here in the right section, make sure to find require additional authentication at startup. So click on it. And you can click on policy settings or simply double click on that menu, like require additional authentications at startup. So double click. And here what you need to do is, here you need to click on enabled and make sure that this tick is switched on. So allow BitLocker without competitive. Click on apply, okay, and basically that's all what you have to do. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.